Kami yung mga Muslim Filipinos, the one law that we hold so dear that recognizes us as Muslims here in the Philippines is actually Presidential Decree 1083. So that's PD 1083 signed by President Ferdinand Marcos. In that PD 1083, naka-stipulate dyan yung mga Sharia courts. And the Sharia courts that are functional are basically in Zamboanga City in Mindanao. Sa panahon na yan ni President Ferdinand Marcos, most of us were based in Mindanao. Pero now, you can find Maranaos Muslims in Boracay, you can find them in Cebu, you can find them in Green Hills, sa Baguio, sa Palawan. We've scattered all over the Philippines. Ang problema namin is that our Sharia courts are still only based in Zamboanga City. So now we've been working on this on several congresses now, and we're very grateful for the very expedient leadership of Speaker Martin Romualdez. Mabilis talaga ang trabaho ng House of Representatives. It was elevated to the Senate within, I think, mga 1 year. And the Senate finally acted up on it, and we are, I think, hopefully, I've been informed, mga next week, the BICAM will already resolve the contending provisions, and hopefully within the year it will be ratified into law. And I think that will be very poetic. Na Presidential Decree 1083, which gave us Muslim Filipinos a sense of dignity na we're part of the Philippines, will be amended and strengthened by his son, President Bongbong Marcos. Now we can avail of Sharia courts here in Metro Manila. We don't have to go to Zamboanga City anymore.